Hello everyone, welcome to a world of dreamy dresses, beautiful gowns that shine with grace and sparkle with style. Each dress is designed to make you feel special, elegant, and truly magical. Look at the soft layers of fabric flowing like waves, creating a perfect fairy tale look. Every gown carries its own charm, with delicate details and glowing textures. Some are bold and bright, while others are soft and light, but all are equally stunning. The beauty of these dresses is in their movement, the way they flow when you walk, the way they shine when the light touches them. Every step feels royal, every movement feels like magic. Guys, please watch my video till the end. Subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and family groups. In this video, you will see dresses from classic shades to modern tones. Each gown has its own personality. Red gowns show confidence. White gowns reflect purity. And golden gowns add a royal touch. No matter the color, the beauty remains timeless. These fairy style dresses are made for celebrations, for moments that you never forget. Weddings, parties, photo shoots, or even just dreams of being a princess. Every gown carries a little piece of fantasy with it. The designs are full of creativity, layers, sparkles, and embroidery all come together to make something unforgettable. When you look at these gowns, you don't just see fabric, you see elegance, art, and imagination. Fashion is more than clothing, it is the way to express beauty without words. And these gowns express it perfectly. Every picture, every look, and every design tells its own story, a story of charm, a story of style, and a story of confidence. Guys, please watch my video till the end, subscribe my channel, and share my video with your friends and family groups. I hope they will also like these dresses very much. Let yourself imagine wearing one of these beautiful gowns, walking into the room where all eyes admire you. That is the power of fashion, and that is the beauty of these dresses. Stay with us for more collections like this, more gowns, more fairy looks, more inspirations for your special day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep shining because beauty is everywhere and fashion for everyone. Thank you very much guys for watching my video till the end. Goodbye till the next video. Take care. Bye bye.